Welcome. Thank you for stopping by. As promised, I'm going to keep this really brief. So the topic today is how I was able to help a local retail business generate $6,000 in 3 months using social media. Um, Social media seems to be the trend today, and I'm sure as a small business owner, you're probably getting lots of calls from other agencies who are trying to sell you on their service. At the end of the day, it depends on results. Most of the businesses that are probably contacting you are probably out of state, or even if they're not out of state, you just an account for them. In my case, I take my job very seriously. As a former business owner, I used to own and operate Subway restaurant franchises. I understand what it takes to run a business. I've been there. I've been in the trenches. I know what it means to to meet payroll, to meet your advertising expenses, to pay your utilities, to pay taxes, take care of employees. So I really empathize with you with regards to what you're going through right now. So I'm going to keep this really brief because I know your time is valuable. And as I promised, I'm going to show you a few things that I have to offer to you that can significantly increase your sales. So to begin with, this is my business, TekaMedia. Uh, there's really nothing to the name. It's just TekaMedia. I'm a social media marketing agency. Here are some services that I currently offer, but my main strategy today, I'm going to talk about using social media marketing to generate leads for your business. So, what's social media marketing? So, basically, it's using social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, YouTube to generate business, generate leads uh, that basically you can convert later into sales and also to build a following. So in my example today, it's a local business that pretty much makes soy candles, and it's actually homemade um, by the owner, and she takes a lot of pride in what she does, and she runs a very successful business now, and also thanks to some of the campaigns that I've been able to initiate for her. And we've been able to generate some traffic to her website and also generate sales for her. As a matter of fact, I'm currently running a campaign for her right now that's seeing a lot of traction, which started 1st of July of this year, and we're doing a 30-day campaign, and hopefully, based on the results, we'll be able to extend the campaign for her as well. So basically, my approach to helping you out is basically I'll meet with you, I'll get to know your business, know what you're really looking for in terms of your results. Are you looking for traffic to your website? Are you looking for traffic to your store if you have a physical location? Or are you just trying to collect leads? Um, so basically, it's not something where I'm just going to sell you stuff. My main goal is to come in to see you, uh, find out more about your business. Because at the end of the day, if we embark on a campaign and I'm able to send traffic to you, we need to know what kind of traffic are you looking for? Are you looking for traffic to your website? Are you looking for physical people coming into your physical location? And also we need to figure out, are you capable, is your business capable enough to handle the amount of traffic or phone calls that your business gets as a result of the campaign? So those are things that, we'll have to sit down, strategize, and figure out if you are the right match for what campaign we're trying to um, establish. So basically, I take a very simplistic approach to things. So basically, when I meet with you, I'll figure out who your ideal customers are in terms of demographics, age, income, if there's a particular income group that you're trying to target, in terms of occupation, in terms of interest, and then we'll go from there. Also, I'll take a look at your staffing level to see if you have the right combination of people or the right uh, people personnel that will actually answer calls when you start getting calls from the campaigns. All right. So basically, we'll figure out who your ideal customer is. Then we'll also craft benefits that your customer is going to get. And then also we need to figure out what kind of offer are you willing to offer to entice people to come to you. And then secondly, we're going to have a call to action, which would definitely drive the traffic to your website or your capture page or into your business. So I'm just going to show you a quick example of what I did for this business. So the business in question is a soy candle. They make soy candles. And basically, I'm just going to go to their website just now. Um, so we'll go to the website. And believe me, if you're looking for if you're looking for great candles, this is the company I'm talking about, City River Candles. They have phenomenal products. I'm not getting anything from this. I'm just trying to help promote the products because I think they're very high quality products, and the owner really takes pride in what she does. And it's always nice to patronize local businesses, and which I really encourage people to do because at the end of the day, it's all about local business, just like your business. So we need to make sure that we patronize our local businesses and make sure that this succeed. So here's the website where I was driving traffic to. So you can see over here, for instance, you can see the list of the different types of candles that this retailer has. Okay, different assortments. And basically the offer that we had was um, when customers purchase orders over $55, they get free shipping. So that was the offer that my client decided to go with. So we did so she gave me some ad copy, pretty much like pictures, and I was able to come up with an ad copy. And here is an example of what we came up with, what I designed for her. Very simple. At the end of the day, it's not about the pictures you have. It's about what you're offering people. Okay. In this case, we have just some pictures that she has sent to me. I set up, I used a service to create this ad creative. And also we have it shows their free shipping on orders over 55. So that's the offer that we have that's going to entice people to click on the link and go check out what she has to offer. So like I mentioned, um, we're running a campaign right now for her, and I'll show you what the campaign looks like. So if I go into my Facebook business site, you can see right here, this is the company, City River Candles. So traffic for July, and it's currently active. And you can see the date on my computer right there. So it's about 12:02 a.m. on Monday, 7:15. So you can see it's very recent. So far, the ad that I'm currently running has reached 6,821 people. Okay, this is the frequency 1.71. So which means that this ad has been seen at least 1.71 times by the people that I targeted for this ad. And this is my cost per thousand. So you can see how inexpensive this is. So $12.34 per thousand. Okay, where can you get such cost ratio? This ad has had an impression of almost 12,000 impressions. Okay, and here's my cost per impression. I know you might not know what some of these words are that I'm talking about, but when I sit down with you, I will go through all this and explain it. Now, this is what's intriguing. So out of this reach, okay, this is how many people we have reached. so far. She's had about 348 clicks. So 348 people out of this amount here have clicked on the ad and gone to her website. And this is how much we've spent so far on her ad, $84. So we spent $84 to reach 6,821 eyeballs. And out of those, 348 clicked on the link, okay, based on the ad, and went to her website. Okay, so I cannot guarantee that those 348 people will actually purchase from her website, which is right here. Okay, but what I can guarantee is I will drive the traffic to your website, and then it's up to you once the people get there. If your website is designed properly to convert, that's a different situation. Or if you have them come into your store, or if you have them call your location. So it will be up to your business to be able to handle that. So you can see here a click-through rate of 1.54%. That is impressive. If you know anything about click-through rates, about ads, that's an impressive number. All right. So this is just the tip of the iceberg of what I can offer your business and how to use social media, especially in this situation, using Facebook ads to generate traffic, generate leads. At the end of the day, what most small business owners get is agencies calling them to tell them that they will, post for them for $500 a month. They will do posts and all that stuff. At the end of the day, your business thrives on paying customers, not on likes and follows and shares. Yeah, there might be a little um, incentive, for you to do all those things, but at the end of the day, you need to make money, and you make money by having well-targeted ads to your ideal customers and generating revenue. At the end of the day, your customers are what's going to keep you in business, not how many likes or shares or follows you have on your Facebook page. So if you're really serious about increasing your revenue and also building your brand and your business, I'll suggest you take me up on my offer and click on the link below and schedule your free strategy session. This is a limited time offer. I will not be doing this much longer because I'm already building up my pipeline of businesses, and I pride myself on giving you 100% attention. My motto is I will only work with one business and in each niche, in each city or town that I'm involved in. So if you're really serious about increasing your business, getting leads inexpensively, um, click on the link below, schedule your appointment, and we'll take it from there. Okay. I hope this was enlightening. Um, Facebook has so much features and so many things that you can actually do to generate, business sales for your business, and also leads. So no matter what business you're in, at the end of the day, you need customers, just like I need customers. And the fact that you're seeing this video shows that you were targeted. Okay, not in a bad way, but in a good way, because you were my ideal customer and I was able to target you so you can, watch this. All right. So again, my name is Wana and I'm a customer acquisition specialist for TekaMedia. And if you're serious about growing your sales, click on the link below and I'll see you on the other side. Schedule your session now while the offer still stands. All right. Thank you for watching and have a great day.